In this video, I'm going to show you how I earned $2,700 in around 6 minutes by building a very simple app where I didn't write a single line of code, I didn't write a single bit of prompt, I got ChatGPT to do all of it, and let's get straight into the video. As I've already mentioned, we're building a tool that allows this company to ingest 10K filings, which are annual reports about how a stock price and how a company is doing, and turns them into bite-sized summaries to then instantly with one click send them to multiple different emails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to ChatGPT. Okay, so what ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to write it all out and think through it. And what I can do is you don't even really need to read it. You just need to say, okay, so what it said is that you can think of it as 3 systems glued together. So ingestion and parsing, summarization, which is where we're going to use a LLM, and then distribution and one-click email sending. So all I'm going to say is I'm not even going to read it. I'm just going to say, nice. Now, what I want you to do is write a prompt that builds this out completely with an AI coding tool. I'm just going to press send, and I didn't even have to read through all of this. And what ChatGPT is going to do is going to instantly, it understands exactly what we need to do. And yes, so the master build prompt. So while we're waiting for that, I'm going to Google AI Studio. So go into that and fire this up. Gemini 3 Flash. We do not want Gemini 3 Flash. We want Gemini 3 Pro. Okay, then let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's find the prompt and let's copy it. So I love the fact that it's structured. I love the fact that Google AI Studio is going to know exactly what to build. And we're just going to input this into Google AI Studio. It's that simple. We don't even need to write a single line of code first of all. And we don't even need to write a single line in the prompt. We literally just ask ChatGPT to do the prompt and Gemini 3 Pro to write out the code. Now, what I'm assuming is I'm assuming that this is not going to be perfect. And that's going to be alright, okay? Because of it's a process that can take 5-10 minutes. Like I said, we are going to get $2,700 for it, so I'm not really worried about that. Like whether it takes 5 or 10 minutes. But we see the code being generated right now, the index HTML, app.tsc, types.ts. Okay. So soon the preview should be up. It actually looks really, really good so far. As you see, we have a couple of following errors. So while we're waiting for these bugs to be fixed, I'm just going to say, please change your name in the top left corner from Sec Insights to this logo. And I'm just going to provide the logo of the company that we're working for today that is going to be paying us. And yeah, so it's taking quite a long time actually, 65 seconds. But it seems to be chugging through it. And yeah, it should be done soon. Okay, so before we test this out, let's just send him another prompt. I always really like to carry on getting the AI model to work meanwhile we're testing out stuff. So yeah, let's see if this works. Gemini is analyzing the 10K section, extracting insights from risk factors and MDA. Oh wow, okay. That's absolutely amazing. That's really, really cool. So here we have a raw extraction. Now, hopefully this logo is going to be changed soon. We have the raw extraction, which is like just a preview of some of the extracted text chunks. We got the risk factors. So yeah, we see that there's a couple of risk factors. We see the financials, which is positive. We have the investor pitch. We have a TLDR takeaway. Brilliant. So we now have a core logo in the top left. I'm going to say, okay, now let's add a new page where we can add email addresses in bulk that we want to send the summarized reports to. We are quite literally almost done. And we have the ingest filing, we have a dashboard. And then if we go into the details, AI then analyzes the 10K. All we need to do is do a final little touches, and I believe that $2,700 is ours. Great, so on the email list that Gemini's AI Studio has just cooked up, we can see that there's different distribution groups, premium subscribers, tech analysts, internal leadership, and we can even add a new group. I love the fact we can bulk import different email addresses into this. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, please generate realistic email addresses for test. 50, please. So hopefully ChatGPT should generate 50 realistic email addresses. And then I'll say, put them in a CSV. So we've got all of these different email addresses. Once ChatGPT is done with this, I'll copy this, Okay, so I'll copy this code. Let's see if it's fully pastable. Amazing. It is fully pastable. We've identified all of them. And yeah, we've just, okay, that's really, really good. Now, as you see previously, internal leadership, there's 12 recipients, and now there's 62 recipients. That's really, really nice. I'm very happy that it works. And okay, so now it's in a c.csv file. Okay, let's hope this works. Let's go into the tech analysts instead. Awesome. That's really great. Yep, and it managed to ingest that as well. So if we go to an ingest filing, let's type in Tesla. Let's start the pipeline on Tesla and go fully through the app. So we press close. First of all, I just really like the professional, like the fact that it looks really, really professional as well. So let's generate a an executive summary. I really like the whole intuitiveness of the app. I like that you can view the original PDF and you can distribute it in one click. This is really, really impressing me. Okay, so now we've got this. Let's distribute report. Let's go into internal leadership. Press send campaign. And yes, okie dokie. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot of my work on how I actually build these tools and sell them for money. Let me know what video you want next and see you in the next one.